Welcome to EduVision Online Academy. Don't forget to subscribe. EduVision Online Academy. A compound word is formed when two or more words are joined together to create a new word with a new meaning. Here are some examples.
Face, book, Facebook. See, horse, seahorse. Pan, cake, pancake. Lip, stick, lipstick. Home, work, homework. Water, melon, watermelon. Butter, fly, butterfly. Sun, glasses, sunglasses. Basket, ball, basketball.
Compound words can be written in three ways. 1. Closed form. The words are joined together without a space, e.g., sunflower, notebook. 2. Hyphenated form. The words are joined by a hyphen, e.g., mother-in-law, well-being. 3. Open form. The words remain separate but function as a single unit of meaning, e.g., ice cream, real estate. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. EduVision Online Academy.